Okay, welcome once again, guys. So, a very quick brief about this forex trading. We have no time to waste. I always advise my students that we are here to make profit back to back. Either ways, however you make your profit, all we care is profit being made. Right? It means we don't care. We care about the profit you're gonna make every single day. Right? Okay, so yeah, it's simply it's a way we get money online. To this forex trading, it looks at exchange of currencies between countries. So the Japan, their yen exchanging for euros, the gold exchanging for dollar, the pounds exchanging for any currency at all. It's cut across every currency in the world. So you see the currencies, how they exchange, and then we capitalize on that and get money from that. Is that okay? So we have currency pairs, that is the EUR and JPY. They look at the base and the code. The back, the one at the back is the JPY, that is the base, that is the code, sorry, and the EUR is the base. So the base is the stronger currency. That's the currency that the code, sorry, is buying. So the quote is buying the base. So the JPY is the quote and is buying the base, the euro. So you can see that euro is being bought by Japanese yen, right? So like 1 euro currently, one euro is bought in Japan with 174 yen, right? 174 yen. So points, yeah. So that's how they are buying the yen, the euro in Japan, right? You can go to the GBP USD. You can see that the USD, they are buying the pounds at a rate of 1.3, right? That is it. We have the which currency again? The AUD USD. This is the American dollar, and they are buying the AUD at a cost of currently 0.65. So that is how the various currencies trade, how they buy and sell. So we are looking at the demand and supply of currencies, right? So as the demand increase, you see the demand increases, then the price also has increased. So if here people were demanding less of it, and they started demanding more of the AUD. So now the dollars are buying more of the AUD, and the AUD is increasing from this price to 0.765022 0.669, so on and so forth. That is how it works. So simply we capitalize on the increase in demand and the price as well, and then we try and buy or sell that currency. When you see the movement, when we see where it's about to go, then we buy that currency and then we make money from it. So that's it. So we can see here that there's something being formed there. It is this one traders. It tells us that it's about to go up or it's about to increase in price. So a smart trader will just buy this AUD US. You just buy it. So this is how we used to buy this. You just buy it somewhere here, and then you expect it to rise up high. So if it rises up high, get your money and you're out of the market. That is it. You get some money, and that is it. You get some money here. So we'll always look at that. That is how traders trade. So basically, that is forex. It's exchange of currency, foreign exchange. That is it. Because initially we used to buy things in the olden days with these butter trading and stuff, but now you don't use that again. Let's go about using currencies online. People have been using cryptocurrency and stuff to buy things, right? So that is simply what trading is about. So in subsequent videos, I'll tell you more about trading, but for now, I'll hold that with you, and then keep subscribing and following and watching more videos, and you will understand forex in the short run, and you get some money out of it very, very soon, right? Okay, so I will end here, and then in our next video you